Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Flip 7 FE, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're going to open up our settings, and in here scroll all the way down to General Management, Reset, and at the bottom you'll find Factory Data Reset. Now I won't be able to go through this because I don't remember the Samsung password. Now I do want to point out that it's absolutely ridiculous to need to provide a password for the signed in Google account or Samsung account when it also prompts you to confirm a screen lock. For F's sakes, one is enough. You don't need everything. Would you like my social security number to Samsung while you're at it? So when we click on reset, here's the screen lock that I mentioned. And I know this screen lock, it's correct, because it's progressing further. And it's asking me if I want to actually delete it. Yes. And then it gives me this shit. Now you can go piss off Samsung and suck a phallic object. So you obviously need to verify the password, because of course you need to. And once you do so, it doesn't give you any kind of info if you typed it in correctly or not. As long as you typed it in correctly, it's going to look like it's stuck, which for this phone is actually quite often, even when you're not trying to reset it. And afterwards, it automatically just snaps into black screen and starts resetting. So don't look for any kind of like confirmation of thank you for verification. Here we're gonna progress with the reset. No, it just kind of like goes boop and begins it. Now this process will take about like 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, you would be presented with setup screen. But because I can't sign out, I'm not gonna go through this. So that basically finishes it up. So I just pretend I went through the reset. And anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.